Hello CE300, my name is Abdulaziz Al-Shaya and this is my digital presentation about Colby-A index. The Colby-A index is designed to measure the cognitive faculty of the mind, the actions you take that result from your natural instincts. It validates an individual's natural talents, the instinctive method of operation that enables you to be productive. It gives you greater understanding of your own human nature and allows you to begin the process of maximizing your potential both personally and professionally. Research on Colby-A indicates that there is no significant differences in outcome by age, race, or gender. Colby-A index characterizes cognitive strengths in 4 action modes, on a scale from 1, which is the most resistant, to 10, which is the most insistent. Cognitive instincts cannot be measured. However, the actions that are observed from them can be identified and quantified by the Colby-A index. These instinct-driven behaviors are represented in the 4 Colby action modes. Fact finder is the first one, which is the instinctive way we gather and share information. Follow through, the instinctive way we arrange and design. Quick start, the instinctive way we deal with risk and uncertainty. Implementer, the instinctive way we handle space and tangible. It's important to emphasize that lower scores are not weakness, just different strengths. There is no such thing as a negative or bad in Colby. My Colby-A index result was 8832, which I almost predicted. My high numbers in fact finder and follow through indicate that I'm a strategic planner. I believe that these interpretations make sense as they apply to me as a matter of fact. Even though I did not expect my fact finder to be that high, since I never thought I'm a person who loves doing research, for example, but when I looked through it again, I figured that I really have curiosity and always want to know things in details in order to maximize my work productivity. This also goes in parallel with my follow-through strength, as having more details leads to following them rather than creativity, and that's why my quick start is low. Another reason is that I believe full freedom of creativity could be risky sometimes compared to following details, which is always safe, and I'm not a risky person at all. Not to mention that I'm also far from being an implementer, which is emphasized in my results. I was never good at craftsmanship, and a real college life example would be that I don't like the physical work when it comes to lab experiments, but I rather do the theoretical part of it. I've had an experience with Conation and Colby while working in a team, and that was when we were forming groups for Technical Report 1. We were a group of 6 in which almost all of us were high fact finders and follow through. We lacked quick start and implementer, and this is simply because the majority of students in this class had similar results to us, so it's hard to find a perfect combination. However, I felt that there was some conflict in our tasks and roles. For example, different people were doing different research, and we were all strict on each other and paying attention to the small details, all of that in order to exactly follow the assignment rules and guidelines. Another example and experience was with the structure of this course and getting used to how flexible it is, which just conflicts with my high fact finder and follow through. Since day one, there was no clear schedule to the point that some due dates were from previous semesters. Everything was tentative and changing every now and then, and that's why I had too many questions on Twitter to get things clarified. In conclusion, it can be seen that Colby-A index has several benefits, such as discovering your cognitive strengths and instincts, getting better results in social life and work, and improved communications and leadership skills. Personally, after having 2 experiences regarding Colby and conations, I believe that in class and in professional career, I would perfectly fit with people who cover my most resistant action modes, which are again quick start and implementer, in order to achieve the best possible results. However, when it comes to me working individually, it's going to be somehow difficult to work in an environment where things are not clear and organized. I would try to fit, but I don't think that I will be at my maximum potential level. That was the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.